Okay, welcome back. We've finally disassembled the 2-litre limited slip diff, opened it up, and what we've found is that on the actual pinion gear there's some definite wear markings in here. We can also see some wear markings, and you can see them on the very edges, those shiny areas on the crown. We'll need to get the bearings checked and get this diff lapped, check out, make sure all the races and everything are okay, and look at whether the gripper shims inside are any good. So really that's where we're at with this diff at the moment. So you can see a little bit of a difference compared to the normal differential that goes into the 1600. You can see the format of the actual diff itself is different for the limited slip diff. Interestingly enough, Alfaholics have got limited slip diffs for about 1,400 Australian dollars that can go into and replace these units themselves, and they've got a race and a road setting, and they also have them for the original casings for the 1600s, which is the smaller differential casings. So depending on what the quotes come back like for this, we may even be going for that option. Let's see. Hope you've enjoyed it.